Hey loves, what's up? I hope you guys really well. In this video, I have done this eye makeup. It's a mix of little bit blue, little bit beige, little bit balm color, and a really pink color that can kill you. Also pair up a nudish lips color. So if you're interested, let's go to the video. So my base is already done and also my eyebrows. And I have already set my eyelids. So let's go to the eye makeup. For eye makeup today I'm going to use Technic palette. I'm taking this color as my transition shade. Now I'm going to cut my eyelid and for that I'm using Maybelline Rewind Concealer. Now I'm taking this color and putting it in my outer corner. I didn't set my concealer, instead of that I'm going straight to the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this color for half of my eyelid. Now I'm drawing a wing eyeliner. Now I'm eyelining my eyes and also putting black eye pencil in my waterline. Taking the previous color and smashing my waterline. Now I'm taking the blue eyeshadow and also putting it in my under eye. For my inner eye, I'm taking this color. Also with that color, I'm highlighting my brow bone. For the mascara, I'm taking Technic Mega Base Mascara. I have done my contour, blush and highlighting off camera. Now it's time for lip. For lips, I'm taking Beauty Glazed Leo. Now I'm taking Beauty Glazed Candy Cane. Now I'm taking Pudiear lipstick and it's Ink Heart. So here's the end of the makeup. Now I'm going to do a little bit pose. Here is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, then please do subscribe and hit the ring bell so you can get notified every time I post. And also don't forget to give a thumbs up and comment below what you want to see next time. I'm going to do that for you and also suggest me what I can do to make my video more better and more interesting for you guys. So bye bye. See you next time.